Good morning, folks. It is still dark. The time is 5:55. Sunrise is supposed to happen at 6:18. I see some clouds movement, moon on a sky, so I have a time to raise my drone and do a time lapse. It is 6:15, so it is time to do our flight. "60 meters altitude, 210 meters away." When I broke a cloud level, sure, I got moisture condensation. You see it on all overlegs, on drone lenses too. Let me show that for better. It is cloudy today, and I could put my lenses to the east. I want to bypass handrail, going through all sunken boat or sunken yacht, and then up and returning back to a floating dock. Let's raise a drone and do business. Okay, folks, I do have the whole basin. Altitude 86 meters. Lovely flag decoration is in a corner. First I drop camera from a floating dock. I place on a sunken yacht. Wonderful! 12 minutes since I started camera. Now I need to return drone back and at the same time to do some footage for you around. I do think it's fly time. or time to fly away. What do you think, little puppy? You stay here for a long time? Crank your motors, fly away. Leveling horizon. There is kind of the pan on the bottom of a screen which connects, I think, with a cave system. I do think I'm above Valley Road. Yes, I am, even further. Valley Road below me. And now below me, or in the bottom of a screen, Blue Creek Bridge. Let's tilt camera up and go to a flat control zone. Tilting camera up. It's exactly 924 meters, so I say to Blue Creek Bridge, less than kilometer. Little white house in the center, it is flat control zone. And nearby old dragliner, what is made in 1932. Our national piece of history. I see pump is not working. Water is brown, which goes from a Blue Creek, what is on the right side of a screen. I'm going up. Last slide with a bridge in the center of a screen. Heavy bridge below. Let's descend little bit here on a blue or shark tooth slide. 46 meters altitude, I supposed to be safe. Okay, I see drone. It's exactly on my view. Descending, and I want to see a swing line. What you see right now on the screen on the left side. Let's get couple jumpers and then do go to a main basin. Very good, flip over and jump into cold Vortex water. Anyone more want to jump and be on the next video? Okay, now looks like we're going backflip. Yes, that's awesome, spectacular jump we have. Okay, thank you, gentlemen. Now I'm going to spot on divers. This is pumps, what pumps water. This is artificial cave structure. Okay, here, let's raise it up. "120 meters, that's more than enough. A little rotation out of a sun glare. What I want to do from here, I will descend. Okay, folks, I'm still hot after my flight, standing on the sunshine in Florida for 15 minutes. Yes, it makes you hot. But please do remember, water in a Vortex Spring, always 21 degrees Celsius. Okay, what I want to do right now, I spotted two snorkelers. Well, looks like they have no snorkels even. Since I have no my buddies and it is more than 10 minutes video to get into cavern, I go and practice with a sunken yacht on the bottom. Maybe I get into airbox. Okay, afternoon plan. Set cameras on a boat and then swim back to here. And I do have 2 volunteers.
Hello, I'm Nate. I'm Mitch. And
Thank you very much for watching. We landed successfully at 3:15.